Hey, what's going on, crypto investors? It's the crypto machine, Johnny Diamond Hands. Forex Shark put out something on April 7th. I don't know if you all heard it or not, but I wanted to skim over the wave tops and let you know. But first, before I go into that, I want to hit you with this quote. If you can't be first, you must be better. Now, what am I talking about? I'm talking about this Spooked Beans. Look at this. Spooked Beans. Okay, somebody came out with this Spooked Beans. And people are all talking about this Spooked Beans, right? But what about baked beans, right? So if you can't be first, be better. It's 8%. Why would you? Anyway, I'm not going to go into a rant about this, but Spooked Beans or whatever, they need to just leave this alone. It's on Phantom. Okay, I'm going to leave that one alone. I might talk about that one another time, but I'm going to leave it alone anyway. Forex Shark on Telegram on April 7th. He says that we brought in a third party who specializes in advanced math to go over all our work on the piggy bank, and we'll be finalizing all the numbers today. As I said in the last interview, we'll wait until 100% of the work is finished. And then he went all through talking about it, and he says all the coding is 100% finished. And they have enough credit from the pigs to do 100% migration. So pretty much when when the rubber meets the road, everything is already done. They're just finalizing things. So they're finalizing, it looks like they're talking about the lottery. Yesterday we had a meeting about the scratch ticket model and made serious progress. We know the scratch ticket model is a high demand. So I think they're talking about the lottery. So even when you go over to the Animal Farm website, the vault migration underway, the lottery, it's probably going to say the same thing when you click on the lottery. It just says coming soon on both of those. So you're not going to get too much of anything when it comes down to, just got to wait. Just got to wait until they're ready. So that's the last thing I saw on the Telegram for Forex. And they even put a miniature version of what they said on Telegram in their Twitter feed on Drip Community on the Twitter feed. So it's pretty much the same thing. And what I forgot to say in my last video was if you come over here and you get me a coffee, if you want to join, my little coffee thing over here, want to try to binge drink coffee or whatever. But anyway, yeah, I'll give you a shout out on the Twitter page, shout out on the YouTube page, access to my crypto play of the month. And then if you bump it up a little bit, you'll get the crypto play of the week, crypto play of the month, and you'll get access to my crypto portfolio tracker that I update pretty much every day. And then you'll get a bonus opportunity to join a successful global crypto platform, which I will not disclose in this video. But anyway, that's that on the Forex Shark, and they're just they went over the math and everything's ready to go. We're just waiting on the launch date. So if you like this video, comment, subscribe, hit the notification bell. And you know what, Spooked Beans, if you can't be first, you need to be better. Why would you just give a 8% daily ROI when baked beans is already giving one? Anyway, I'm gonna leave that one alone. Hit the like button, comment, subscribe, notification bell for future content. Peace.